before I do, I want to say thank you, first off.
Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for coming out to KCW. Here in the factory of Lancaster. First off, I want to get something off my chest. I try to put on this show here at Salina, and I get interrupted. So you're going to have a big event with any ECW original with a big dog. That's going to be the main event, ladies and gentlemen. Second off, I would like to invite to the ring a big friend of mine. You've seen him on Celebrity Championship Wrestling, Micro Championship Wrestling, Hogan Knows Best, Brooke Knows Best, former WCW, WWE, and TNA superstar, Brian, the Nasty Boy Knox.
What's up, Salina? I got called by this big man right here, Lance Chafin, and it wasn't just a couple of weeks ago. It was almost about 4 years ago. And he was turning 18, and he wanted to be a wrestler. So he picked out all the schools, and my school, Masterville School of Pro Wrestling in Florida, is considered right up there with a lot of the top-notch ones where maybe you can get a job in the big leagues. So I said, kid, you want to come down? He told me how big he was, so I said, come on down. So he brought him down to Florida and met his mom and dad, his aunt, his uncle, and what a great family. And you know what? He busted his butt. He's got some good references from TNA and also FCW, which is WWE's developmental camp, and they like him. So all he has to do now is, work out a little bit harder, and you might be seeing this big kid right here, right from your home state here in Kansas, in the big leagues one day. So he called me up a couple of weeks ago and said, I got this great idea. They're trying to revive, Kansas Championship Wrestling. I have a chance to be part of it and help out. This is my home state. My whole family's here. I love to start something. Me and my brother, want to get together and try to get this, wrestling company, up and started. Would you mind coming, here to Wichita, come up to Salina, and, let's, maybe do a little seminar and have a little match, and, you willing to come down? And I said, hell yeah, I would love to come to Kansas. I'd love to come. I haven't been here in ages. You guys are the greatest fans in the world. I've been doing this for 27 years. I'm all busted up. I'm still doing it on like a semi-retired basis. What I like doing now is teaching the younger wrestlers right now, like kids like this, that have the heart and soul and really want to bust their butt to make it to the big leagues like WWE or TNA. And you gotta give it to this kid. This kid will be a superstar someday. He's got a great mother and father. They love him to death. His aunt and uncle are very nice people. But his crazy brother Bill, he missed his call. He's a big man. He has the brains of the family, let me tell you. Right back there, you see a big guy. He's a good guy. He's been helping out around here. But this is hopefully the start of something good. They're going to try to start running these smaller towns like it used to be back in the day when you had, Junkyard Dog and Jake the Snake and guys like that running these territories. Lucas R. Jones, don't get rooms, Rufus, Rufus don't even know me. But anyway, this is a great wrestling area, and there's great people back there in the back right now, busting their butts to entertain you. So don't forget to give them a round of applause. There's been a lot of people that I met that are just training today. I mean, we had 16 people come for this seminar, and it was just off. I would say, when did you think this up? About 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? 16 people signed up, and there's only 3 of them that really knew how to wrestle. The other kids are they want to do it. Their spirits are there. There's a couple of guys, students that were here, that are around here today, stayed for the matches. And I'm going to say, they're all doing a wonderful job. They're all busting their butt. Friday, we were in here for 4 hours. Everybody that was in these camps, stand up. And they all busted their butts, man. It was supposed to go from, Friday we went from 4 to 8, 4 hours, and today we were supposed to go 10 to 2. When I get into teaching, it doesn't matter. It ain't about time. We were here to 3:30. These kids were busting their butts for 5.5 hours today just to learn this business, and that shows me something. Anyway, I'm just out here as a good friend of theirs and a good friend of the families here to come here and say, you guys, they're starting this up. Kansas Championship Wrestling is alive and well, and we're starting it right here tonight, and you're part of it. So get ready to rock and roll. We got a couple more matches, and it's only going to get nastier. And maybe, just maybe, in a month or 2, I might even have to get my old big fat butt back in the ring again and knock a chair over somebody's head and give somebody pity sick. You guys have a great night. I love you. Hey, and stay nasty, 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 nasty. One more thing. I set up a deal, believe it or not, anybody who wants to drive down tomorrow, the bar Twin Peaks in Wichita is bought SummerSlam. They're giving it away for free. So you don't have to pay no cover charge, no nothing. But if you want to come down to Twin Peaks and watch SummerSlam with the Nasty Boy and the Chafin Brothers, you're all willing to come on down and drink a couple beers. Okay? Thank you very much. Here you go, big boy.
One more announcement. The Nasty Boy will be over here hanging out in the ring here for the next few minutes during our brief intermission. He will be signing pictures. He will be doing Polaroid. He'll be taking pictures with you guys. $10, a group of you, your family, your friends, can get in this ring with Brian Knobbs, the Nasty Boy, and take a couple pictures. We'll be hanging out here for just a little bit. Thank you.